Good morning, first graders. Sorry we're not getting to do this live today, but we are going to go ahead and get started. So when we're doing this, I'm just going to go through it, and if you need to hit pause, go for it, okay? Now, some of my stuff is backwards, and I'm going to try and write it the way that you should be seeing it on the paper. I don't have my camera on, so it doesn't work with this type of thing. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our calendar. So we need to update it because we just got back from the weekend, but we know that our month is September. It is 2020. Last week we had orange tally marks, yellow popsicle sticks, blue 10 frames, orange tally marks, yellow popsicle sticks, blue 10 frames. So in your prediction box, actually we're going to wait for Monday to do a prediction box, but what do you think today's is going to be? If you said orange tally marks, you are correct. And they have just the same amount as the date. So we have, remember when it's circled like this, it is a group of 10. So there's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so then on to Sunday. What do you think Sunday is going to be? If you said yellow popsicle sticks, then you are correct. And look, they have 2 bundles. So that means there's 2 groups of 10. That's 10, 20. Okay? So now, for today, in your prediction box, I want you to write what you think today is going to be. If you chose the blue 10 frames, you are right. All right, so on here, let's see if I can actually do this. Does it come up? Oh, it does. I think I have some of them the wrong way, but you get the point, right? I know, it's weird. It is so weird. All right, so we already went over our date, but we know today is Monday. So we are going to circle Monday. Then we're going to write our date. And let's try this. Now it's not going to be the best because, see, I didn't even write it right. All right. We have September, capital S-E-P-T, period, 21, 2020. Please don't copy off of my letters because they are backwards for you guys. Then our date is 9-21-2020. 9 for the 9th month of the year. All right, so then our date, 9-21. Our model was 10 frames. All right, so then here is where it changes. We used to have 10s here, and it used to be 1s. See all the 1s that are in front of the number? That is telling us there's one group of 10 in each one. But now we have 2 groups of 10. So we're going to write a 2 in there. And then we had 1 dot all by itself. So that is a 1. And I'm going to let you guys come up with the equation. Okay? That's one thing I would like you to show me when we come back, is what equation you wrote on there. Okay? So today we are going to color in one more day for school. We already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So when I color in one more, how many do I have? If you said 6, you are right. So down here on days of school, we're going to make a 6. To spell it, it's S-I-X. We don't have any number in front of it, so that means it's still in the ones. So we're going to make a 6. And then another way to write it is we're going to do tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5, 6. Okay. Now, to update our 10 frames here, remember to get it to match, we need to have 2 sets filled. So I am going to get out 2 more red ones. And now we have 2 groups of 10. 10 here, 10 here, so that's 20. But our date is 21. So I need to add one more to our board, and I'm going to do that right here. Okay. All right, let's go back over here. We're going to go to our daily collector, and that is our, where we spin. Remember, a nickel is worth how much? If you said 5 cents, you're right. And a penny is worth 1 cent. Good. So let's give it a flip. All right, we have 3 pennies. 3 pennies. So I'm going to get them out. So if I have 3 pennies, I have 1, 2, 3 cents. So I'm going to put that up here in our first week. Then we're going to write it on our chart. Now I'm erasing these because it is a new week and we're starting all over. All right, so I need to mark, let me push it down so you guys can see, 3 pennies. Okay. And now you are going to do that on your chart. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And to write it, it's a 3. A little C with the line through it. Okay? I know this is backwards, so I want you guys to write it for me correctly, okay? All right. So, have your parents check their email today. I am able to get on for your afternoon sessions, so we'll be live this afternoon, so tell them to look at that. At the end of the day, when we do our fluency passage, I'm going to be doing one-on-one reading passage with you. Okay, so have your parents check your time. It's under our reading folder, and it says fluency one-on-one times. That will tell you your time. When you get on, it will be under the reading folder, conferences, and then look for your name. Please do not get into anybody else's conferences, only yours. If they have any questions, give me a call. See you in a bit. Bye.